Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You should begin now. Plug the lightning cable in for a quick 5-10 minute charge so battery is above 50%. Once done, take the AirPods Max out and bring them close to your iPhone. Allow the automatic pairing prompt to appear and tap connect. Make sure the headband sits over your crown and rotate the ear cups until they form a comfortable, sealed fit. That seal matters for active noise control and bass response, so adjust slowly until you feel isolation and comfort. Once paired, learn the controls. Use the digital crown to raise or lower volume and press it to play/pause. Double press to skip forward, triple press to skip back, and press and hold for Siri. Next, use the noise control button to switch between active noise cancellation and transparency. Make sure to glance at Control Center to confirm the mode. Also enable spatial audio and head tracking in iOS settings, because that virtualizes soundstage and improves clarity on compatible content. Adjust equalizer setting. Finish by storing the headphones in the smart case when you're done to help preserve charge, and avoid leaving them in extreme heat or cold. Make sure to check firmware updates periodically in the device settings, and verify Bluetooth priority on multi-device setups to prevent unexpected switching. If things go wrong, perform a reset. Press and hold the noise control button and digital crown together for about 15 seconds until the status indicator changes. Then repair. That step clears glitches in most connection or audio routing problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.